Hello guys, you're watching Red Crunch and I'm Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video we are going to talk about Screpy. Screpy is an AI-based website analysis, Google rank checker, lighthouse monitoring, page speed monitoring, W3C monitoring and uptime monitoring tool. With the power of AI and fantastic UI, you can see your project's performance, its ranking keywords, speed and various issues that you can fix with ease. So let's see in action how it all works with Screpy. So I have opened up my dashboard. You can see right here. In this list layout, you can see all your projects. I'm using the free plan, so I cannot add more projects to it. But if you have another plan, you can do it easily. So let's click on our project. Here you can see all the details with respect to SEO, page speed, search results, right? I have added one keyword, so it's showing me the result of that keyword only. Okay, as an average maybe. And here you can see the overall health of your project. Here it's showing me the vulnerability with respect to JavaScript, maybe due to it's not up to the date. So I will have to make it to the latest version. You can also see how to fix it right in this action bar button. Here are some details with respect to SEO audit of your homepage, like title, list one, minified JS, optimized images. So most of the things are up to date or quite good, but few things are not good, so you can just click on them. You will see more information about that it's the basic details that you will get to know about that issue itself. You can check on more detail tab and it will redirect you to the inside of that thing, and you can fix it by yourself just by checking the link to it. Here you can see the affected pages, right? So let's get back to the overview now. Here are the all the details. When you click on that action, you will lead to this page where you will get all the information about the SEO things. Let's get back to overview, and here it will show me the page speed of the website, the loading time, page size, first contentful plane, and in the graph layout will show me SEO best practices, built-in page speed. Here are some keyword rankings things, total, like the basic graph. If you add more keywords to it, it will show you the details of all the keywords in this section. And here are some issues that it's finding. It's very well structured and designed, so you easily get to know how you can fix it, what is the impact of it, the category of the issue, right? Found on how many pages. So it's very easy to just work on them. And here are the keywords that you can add. I have added one keyword only as of now. You can add more keywords, see its ranking, right here. You can also see the mobile thing if you have upgraded plan. You can see the results. You will see all things right on this page. Here is your keyword, the position of it, the best position till now. Here you can see the uptime monitoring if you have upgraded the plan. So it's all there. All you have to do is just set up a project, just add the keywords, and you are ready to go. You don't have to go to search results all the time to just search for things. Let me show you how you can add your keywords. Just click on keyword, add keyword. Just hit your keyword right here. I will write in freeze TikTok. By the time it's doing its work, let us quickly jump to other things. If you want to upgrade your plan to add more things, you just have to click on it. This will show you your left projects, your links left, and your keywords left. I have added two keywords, this one and this one. So it's showing me three keywords left, as in free plan you get five keywords only. So you can upgrade your plan by just clicking on this button. When you click on this, you will be redirected to all the plans right here. And there are four plans: Light, Pro, Advanced, and Agency. There are many features of each plan. You will, when you click on this button, you will be redirected to the pricing page, which lists all the plans with its respective features. The Pro plan is very recommended plan. You get like 10 projects to add, 250 pages, 150 keywords, one team with 10 members, SEO audit, page speed analysis, Google Lighthouse audit, W3C validator update frequency is weekly, and you get monitoring tools, uptime monitoring, mobile analysis, on-demand analysis, 25 month. So it's all like there. So this was all for today's video. If you like this video, just like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Till then, bye bye. Have a great day.